Hello my dear student, today we will discuss new topic, subject biology, class 11. Topic name is cell unit of life. Class 11, interesting topic, cell unit of life. I hope that you have heard what is cell. What is cell? Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Cell is the functional and structural unit of life or organism. That means each organism consists of cell. Each organism consists of cell, and cell is the structural functional unit, and also called the smallest unit. Also called a smallest unit. We know that cell compose tissue. Tissue together makes organ. Organ compose and make organ system, and organ system composed body. That means cell, tissue, organ, organ system and body. This is process. All process is called hierarchy. That means each organism body, plant, animal, etc. is smallest unit is cell. Cell is the smallest and structural and functional unit of organism. क्लियर हुई? दैट मीन्स यहां तक बेटा ये बात क्लियर है कि जो सेल है वो बेसिकली स्मॉलेस्ट स्ट्रक्चरल एंड फंक्शनल यूनिट है. चलिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सेल बायोलॉजी. व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ सेल बायोलॉजी? Cell biology is the branch of biology and study of cell structure, function and growth. Cell biology is the branch of biology, study of cell structure, function and growth. Next term is cytology. Next one term is cytology. Cytology means again branch of biology in the study of structure of cell. Cell biology, that means study of cell structure, cell function and cell growth. But cytology study only structure of cell. So cytology is the branch of biology which study of cell structure. जब हम सेल के स्ट्रक्चर की स्टडी करते हैं जनरली उसको कहते हैं बेटा हम साइटोलॉजी. cytology is a main branch of biology. Now, father of cytology, is Robert Hooke. Who is father of cytology? Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke is the father of cytology. Modern father of cytology. Who is modern father of cytology? C.P. Swanson. C.P. Swanson is the modern father of cytology. And Indian father of cytology is A.K. Sharma. A.K. Sharma. Father of cytology, Robert Hooke. You know also that modern father of cytology, C.P. Swanson, and Indian father of cytology, A.K. Sharma. So now you have all clear what is the meaning of cell biology, what is the meaning of cytology. In this chapter, we will complete focus on cell. What is cell? What is cell structure? What is prokaryotic cells? Eukaryotic cells? What is the difference between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell? What is plant cell? Animal cell? Ultrastructure of cell? Cell organelles? All topics are covered in this topic. Cell unit of life. Cell is the main important topic in our biology. In animal biology, in plant biology. Cell is the main important topic. So now we will start a new topic, cell. Cell is the structural and functional unit of organism. First of all, clear, cell is the structural functional unit of organism. ऑर्गेनिज्म कोई सा भी है बेटा, चाहे हम प्लांट की बात करें या फिर हम किसकी बात करें, एनिमल्स की बात करें, चाहे प्लांट ऑर्गेनिज्म हो, एनिमल ऑर्गेनिज्म हो, उन सब में जो सेल है वो क्या है, स्ट्रक्चरल एंड फंक्शनल यूनिट. क्लियर? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डिस्कवर. सेल डिस्कवर बाय रॉबर्ट हुक. In 1665, cell discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665, and discovered dead cell. Clear? सेल को इसने डिस्कवर किया, रॉबर्ट हुक ने 1665 में किया. कौन सी सेल थी बेटा? वो सेल थी डेड सेल्स. और उन्होंने अपना इस सेल्स को कहा सेल्यूलर. इट्स कॉल्ड सेल्यूलर. और जो डेड सेल डिस्कवर की वो कौन सी सेल थी बेटा? कॉर्क सेल. कौन सी सेल थी? कॉर्क सेल. इन्होंने उसे डिस्कवर किया था जिस प्लांट से, उस प्लांट का नाम था स्पेनिश ओक. प्लांट इज स्पेनिश ओक, यानी कि कॉर्क सेल obtained from Spanish oak, and this cell is dead cell and is called cell. These informations are available on book Micrographia. Micrographia book written by Robert Hooke, and this book all have information of cell, Spanish of dead cells, cellular, and all our information are present in Micrographia book, and this is written by Robert. Now, living cells discovered by Anton von Leeuwenhoek. Discovered by Anton von Leeuwenhoek. An example is RBC, bacteria, etc. These are living cells and discovered by Anton von Leeuwenhoek. First of all, cell discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665, discovered a dead cell and called cellular. And this dead cell obtained from plant Spanish oak. कितना हुआ क्लियर? यहां तक क्लियर हुई बेटा बातें कि सेल को किसने डिस्कवर किया? रॉबर्ट हुक ने डिस्कवर किया। वो डेड सेल थी, उसके बाद जो लिविंग सेल्स है उनको किसने डिस्कवर किया? उनको डिस्कवर किया एंटोन वॉन ल्यूवेनहोक। उन्होंने आरबीसी को, बैक्टीरिया को, इसके अलावा अगर हम बात करें स्पर्म्स को, इन सबको डिस्कवर किसने किया? एंटोन वॉन ल्यूवेनहोक। Cells are mainly two types. First, prokaryotic cell, and next one is eukaryotic cell. Cells are mainly two types: prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Now clear? There are two types: prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Now we have seen a general structure of cell. Now we have seen a general structure of cell. This is cell wall, cell membrane. Important part is nucleus. This is dotted part is cytoplasm. And cytoplasm have also contain different types of cell organelles. A general structure of a cell. Cell have a cell wall, cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm, cell organelle. All these parts are present in cell, and these are component of cell. So today we have discussed what is cell. Cell is a structural function unit of organism discovered by Robert Hooke. Living cell discovered by Anton von Leeuwenhoek. Now cell is two types: prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. This is the general structure of cell. Cell will have cell wall, cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm, cell organelle. In next lecture we will discuss what is the composition of cell, what is the structure of cell, what is the micrographical structure of cell. Thank you. देखते हैं इसको क्या रहा, 14 मिनट की बनी है, क्या कहानी रही इसकी।